Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am in the middle of doing my hair today. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm actually shooting this video at night because why not? So anyways, I'm using my ring light. So I've already started braiding my hair. I just wanted to come and show you guys, like let me turn around. So I just wanted to come and show you guys like the process of me braiding my hair by myself. So today I wanted to try out this company has been in Nigeria for quite some time, but at a point in time I think they stopped making, excuse the fact that I look really oily, like I am seriously feeling oily, like so they used to make weaves like at a point in time, but they stopped. I don't know what happened, but anyways they're back again in Nigeria, and I wanted to try out their weave or their attachments. The attachments I usually use when I want to braid is the Expressions, but today I'm going to be using Darling. So as most of you know, this brand has been around for such a long time in Nigeria, but at a point in time they stopped making weaves anymore. The weaves weren't in the market anymore, but all of a sudden, like, they've rebranded and they've come out with a new packaging and new everything. And for my braids today, I'm using this one. This is the Darling Superstar ombre braids. So this is black and blue. I don't know if you guys can see the blue. So it's a black and a blue ombre braid, and I was like, I really wanted to do an ombre. I think you guys can see better. This is what I've been working with, so it's black and blue. So I really wanted to do like ombre braids, and I felt like braiding my hair, at least just to protect my hair from the elements for a while. So basically this is I bought actually 2 packs. One pack of this is like a 2-in-1. If you see something like this, one pack is enough. This is a 2-in-1. Like, it comes with two different lengths of attachments, a 45-inch and a 55-inch inside this type of pack. If you see, this one pack is enough. And this 2-in-1 retailed for 1,500 naira, while this single one retails for 900 naira. So basically I bought one pack of this 2-in-1, and just in case the braid doesn't go round, I now bought an extra 1 pack. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I braid my hair. Honestly, this is the first time I'm actually braiding my hair myself. Like, most times I go to a salon and get my hair braided, but today I'm going to be braiding my hair today I braided my hair myself, and I'm going to show you guys how I have been doing that. So anyways, enough chit chats. I've told you guys the prices of the attachments, and I really like this attachment. One thing I like about this attachment, or this one, is it is pre-cut and picked. I don't know about the other ones, but this ombre one is pre-cut. It even says it here on the body. It is pre-cut and picked, so you don't have to stress yourself with having to like measure the attachment, or cut it, or picking, because picking is one thing that I hate about braiding hair, like having to like pick out the attachment. Oh my god. So when I saw that it is actually pre-picked, I'm like, my god, where have you been all my life? Like, this is saving me so much energy of having to like start like plucking and picking out the attachment myself. So this, kudos to Darling for doing this. Like, this is a serious game changer for the fact that they pre-picked it, and for the fact that they pre-picked it. So yeah, so anyways, I'm just going to like quickly show you guys how I am braiding my hair. So basically, like you saw the back, I'm almost done with the hair, so I'm just going to show you guys this side. So I pre-moisturized my hair, and I've applied my hair This is the L Glitters Hair Wonder Rich Daily Moisture and Repair. Guys, I'm still going to have a review on this product. I bought the full set of this product, and I'm still going to do a review on it. Okay, so anyways, after I moisturized my hair with my Dark and Lovely moisturizer, I then use this to seal my hair. So my hair is quite soft, and yeah, so now I'm just going to, basically I've been using in between a comb and my hand, so I'm just going to use my hand and divide. So for this front part, I'm going a bit smaller, so taking this, I'm just going to take my comb and basically brush out the tips. Then taking my attachments, I'm just going to cut out a sizable amount. So I'm just going to, my fingers, open a hole, put my hand in, and yeah. So now I'm just going to guys, so this is the finished hair. This is the finished braid. So what I did was I took bit by bit, then I boiled some hot water, and I just dipped the full length of hair into the hot water, so it would what's the word? It would frizz out any stray hair that was on it. So this is the braided hair. I hope I did a good job. I think I did a good job. I tried. I really like it though. So I'm just gonna rock this for a couple of weeks, and yeah, just basically feel myself in my blue braids. So I think you guys will be able to see the blue now better in this daylight, because this is the next day. So I couldn't finish the video. I was quite tired after I was done. Braiding the hair. But yeah, this is the finished hairstyle. Done my makeup, and the tutorial for this look will be on my channel probably soon, so look out for that. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.